you. Come on! That's a tiny little calico. Probably the same one you caught. No, he doesn't. And it poked me. There it goes. Come on. It's a smaller calico. I hope so. These little guys are... These hooks are really good though. They come like right out. Good thing I'm not recording. Go. There's a big wave unveiling. Screw it, I'm out. Bye. That's a broken rod.